It will also help us reduce our deficits, because the single greatest tool for getting our fiscal house in order is robust economic growth. Here in the United States, I expect a robust debate.
We live a robust democracy, which is also plural.
We will work with our friends and allies to stand up to this behavior, and we will redouble our efforts toward a more robust international non-proliferation regime that all countries have responsibilities to meet.
Watching Iranians' elections, how critical is it to change?
We are excited to see what appears to be a robust debate taking place in Iran. There will be robust debates about where these cuts should be made. I welcome that debate. But now we must pursue a sustained and robust effort to implement this resolution together with our international partners. And need a robust growth based on a highly educated, well-trained workforce, healthcare costs that aren't dragging down businesses and families, and clean energy jobs and industries.
As you know, Canada has had a very robust engagement for some time.
It was then that America's commitment to the security and stability of Japan, along with the Japanese people's spirit of resilience and industriousness, led to what's been called the Japanese miracle, a period of economic growth that was faster and more robust than anything the world had seen for some time. Helped our economy achieve the growth that was not only more robust, but more widely shared by our citizens. Citizens who were in turn better able to contribute to our economy. And it means that we need more robust consumer and investor protections. And even as we begin to transition security responsibility to Afghans over the next year, we will sustain a robust commitment in Afghanistan going forward. In addition, last week I signed our own set of sanctions coming out of the United States Congress, as robust as any that we've ever seen.
But I do know one thing, that a strong, robust, fast-growing United States is in the interest of the world.
I answer it this way. I tell those who ask me that question that first and foremost, what's most important for us and for everyone around the world, including the Americans, is for the U.S. economy to be robust, to recover, and to continue to grow.
Countries, we have seen more robust exchanges between our two peoples. And such exchanges have also helped